and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how to fix if your camera is blocked on Omegle. So the first thing that you'll need to do is if you're already on your Omegle, you go ahead and click on to the video icon right here on the upper part of your screen on align with your search bar, and then click on that, and it says right here there's a continue allowing omegle.com to access your phone, your microphone, your camera and microphone always block the microphone access. So just make sure that that continue allowing Omegle to access your camera and microphone is what you have selected right here. And if this is what is turned on, or always back camera microphone access, make sure to transfer it or to change it into this one, into the first one. And then what you'll need to do next is go to your manage, click onto your manage, and this will lead you to the privacy and security part of your settings here on Google. And after that, just go on and scroll down until you see this camera section right here. Just click onto that, and then in here, make sure that the right camera is selected. So make sure that the camera that you use on your device is what is selected in here. So after making sure that that is correct, that is the selected device is correct, what you'll need to do next is to refresh your Omegle, and then you can start again and chat with people on Omegle. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.